Immaculate Waterfront Home. Move-in ready 4-bedroom, 2-bath home in a sought-after street. Augustine community. This beautifully maintained home features a desirable split floor plan, soaring ceilings, and a bright, open-concept living area designed for both comfortable everyday living and effortless entertaining. The updated kitchen showcases modern finishes, stainless steel appliances, and excellent flow into the main living and dining spaces. The spacious primary suite offers a private retreat complete with a relaxing soaking tub, while 3 additional bedrooms provide flexibility for family, guests, or a home office. Step outside to the screened lanai and enjoy peaceful lake views overlooking the backyard, an ideal setting for morning coffee, evening sunsets, or relaxing with friends. The 2-car garage provides ample storage, and the low HOA adds to the home's exceptional value. Just minutes from street. Augustine's beautiful beaches, historic downtown, shopping, dining, and top-rated schools, this immaculate waterfront home offers the perfect blend of comfort, convenience, and Florida lifestyle. Clean, meticulously